Looking for the best sickle cell anemia treatment hospitals in India? Explore top 10 hospitals with treatment options, costs, success rates, types, and FAQs. Find trusted healthcare facilities for quality care. Sickle cell anemia is a hereditary blood disorder that affects millions of people worldwide, with a significant prevalence in India. Finding the right treatment and care for individuals with sickle cell anemia is crucial for managing the condition effectively. In India, there are several hospitals renowned for their expertise in treating sickle cell anemia. In this video, we will explore the top 10 best sickle cell anemia treatment hospitals in India, treatment options, costs, success rates, types, trust, and address FAQs in the healthcare industry related to this condition. Living with sickle cell anemia can be challenging, and receiving proper medical care is essential for managing the symptoms and improving the quality of life for patients. Choosing the right hospital for treatment is crucial as it can significantly impact the outcome and overall well-being of individuals with sickle cell anemia. Factors such as expertise of healthcare professionals, treatment options available, success rates, and overall patient care play a vital role in determining the effectiveness of treatment. Top 10 Best Sickle Cell Anemia Treatment Hospitals in India. Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Gurgaon, Medanta, The Medicity, Gurgaon, BLK Max Super Speciality Hospital, New Delhi, Artemis Hospital, Gurgaon, Manipal Hospitals, Bangalore, Indraprastha Apollo Hospital, New Delhi, Aster Medcity, Kochi, Max Super Speciality Hospital, New Delhi, Yashoda Hospitals, Hyderabad, Nanavati Max Super Speciality Hospital, Mumbai. Treatment options, costs, and success rates. Treatment options, blood transfusions. Regular blood transfusions can help manage symptoms and prevent complications in patients with sickle cell anemia. Bone marrow transplantation. Bone marrow transplantation is a curative treatment option for sickle cell anemia, but it is complex and requires a suitable donor. Hydroxyurea therapy. Hydroxyurea is a medication that can help reduce the frequency of pain crises and other complications in sickle cell anemia patients. Costs. The cost of treatment for sickle cell anemia can vary depending on the hospital, treatment options, and individual patient factors. Private hospitals may offer affordable treatment options for international patients with limited financial issues. Success rates. Success rates of treatment for sickle cell anemia can vary depending on the severity of the condition, treatment approach, and individual patient response. Hospitals with a multidisciplinary team of specialists and access to advanced treatment options tend to have higher success rates in managing sickle cell anemia. FAQs in the healthcare industry related to sickle cell anemia. Can sickle cell anemia be cured? While there is no definitive cure for sickle cell anemia, treatments such as bone marrow transplantation can offer a potential cure for some patients. What are the common complications of sickle cell anemia? Common complications include pain crisis, anemia, organ damage, stroke, and infections. How can individuals with sickle cell anemia improve their quality of life? Regular medical checkups, staying hydrated, avoiding triggers for pain crisis, and following a healthy lifestyle can help improve the quality of life for individuals with sickle cell anemia. How WDI Medical Tourism helps in sickle cell anemia treatment in India? WDI Medical Tourism is a leading medical tourism company that helps international patients seeking medical treatment in India. Was founded in 2010. Please visit www.wellnessdestinationindia.com for more information. Thank you for watching.